Hi, how are you? Good. I just want the $2 one and keep the change for yourself.
This is kind of a deal. The weather guard.
That's all right.
Make
Well,
sure your card.
we go through one a day because he's autistic and he likes to film it, so it's not like it's real dirty. But the $3 tips for yourself. Okay. Could you do me a favor and hand me my autism magnet off the back, buddy? Thanks, guy. You're probably the third one today I'll be going to. You're probably the third wash we'll be going to. Thanks.
No hustle, say no.
This is kind of nice. You like this one?
Yes.
Ooh, I like this one.
Video, stop.
What stopped?
Now.
It didn't stop. That's a nice dryer, yes? How was that? You like that?
Yes, yes.
All right. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.